Today we'll be talking about squares because squares have an interesting property. Negative 5 squared versus 5 squared versus parentheses negative 5 squared. So you may have been in like a calculator before and you typed in negative 5 squared, and instead of getting what you expected, you got a different number. You may have been asking yourself why. Well, basically, first off, 5 squared is 25. And, a negative number times itself is positive, so negative 5 squared is 25. And you can see this one's in parentheses, so I might probably be wondering, well, what could this be? Well, it's probably also 25, right? No, actually, because it is negative 25, and this is where we'll be talking about negative 5 in parentheses versus negative 5. So you're probably aware of like PEMDAS, or there's like some abbreviations for it: parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So we go from first to last, and so we do parentheses first and subtraction last. And so when you take negative 5 like this, and it's squared, well, the negative is part of the number, right? Well, it's kind of treated as if like the negative is kind of like being multiplied almost by the 5 or something like that. So you do the exponent before you get to the negative. And so that's why it's like 5 times 5, which gives you 25, and then you multiply it by negative 1, which gets you negative 25. And so because of like the weird order of stuff, it gets that. So that's why you gotta put it in parentheses for the negative 5, and then you do the squared, because this parentheses just voids all of this stuff right here, so that you can do the negative 5 and then negative 5 squared on top of negative 5 makes it just negative 5 times negative erase that, negative 5, and you get positive 25. And so for the next question, you want to watch closely here. 6 squared versus negative 6 squared. You get 36 and negative 36. But what's really crazy about this is